Honda Elevate SUV officially announced, India debut next month. Honda is gearing up to introduce its all-new midsize SUV for the Indian market. The Indian subsidiary of this Japanese carmaker has officially announced that its upcoming Creta rival offering will be christened the Honda Elevate. Scheduled to make its world premiere in India next month, the Elevate will expand Honda's lineup, which currently includes the City and Amaze sedans only. Honda Elevate SUV, what to expect? The upcoming Honda Elevate SUV is likely to share its platform with the 5th generation City and will measure around 4.2 to 4.3 meters in length. In terms of design, it will feature muscular styling and draw inspiration from the CR-V and HR-V SUVs sold abroad. One can expect the Honda Elevate SUV to be pretty feature-rich, and it will get Level 2 ADAS as well. Honda Elevate SUV, engine and gearbox. Just like the underpinnings, the Honda Elevate is expected to share its powertrain options too with the City. It is likely to get a 121 bhp 1.5-liter naturally aspirated petrol engine, paired with a 6-speed MT and a CVT. The other mill should be a 1.5-liter Atkinson cycle petrol-strong hybrid unit coupled with 2 electric motors. It will come mated to an eCVT. Honda Elevate SUV, price and competition. The upcoming Honda Elevate will compete in the crowded midsize SUV segment and will directly rival the likes of the Hyundai Creta, Kia Seltos, Maruti Suzuki Grand Vitara, etc. It will make its global debut next month, and the launch will follow in the coming months. In terms of pricing, one can expect the Honda Elevate to cost somewhere between 10 lakh rupees to 18 lakh rupees, ex-showroom.